What's up, Glam Squad? Today I'm going to be showing you how to accomplish this glam skull look. Make sure you like and subscribe. Starting off with my brows, I will be using my MAC eyebrow pencil in color Stud. And this is the best eyebrow pencil I ever used. I've been using this for years. With the pencil, I'm going to just make in some light strokes until the whole eyebrow is filled. And remember, ladies, for any errors, don't worry, don't stress your head. Don't go wiping off your whole eyebrow and starting over. We're gonna just go in with that concealer and just fix up all the errors we made. So after that, we're gonna go ahead and blend out that concealer, and then I'm gonna go in with my MAC paint pot in soft ochre. After that, I will be applying my first shade, which is a light baby blue. Then ongoing, I'm gonna be going in with a navy blue. And once I pack that on, you may see me go back in with the baby blue again, just to reapply, because I kind of lost that color while I was blending. And it's okay if you lose a color while you're blending. You could always go back and add some more. Right here, I'm cutting my crease, and with this cut crease, you guys, I know you guys are gonna be like, oh my gosh, you're in love with cut crease. I just love my eyelids, you know, they're very weird. So I find that the cut crease, I can create the illusion to give my eyes a better pop. Once applied, I'm going to pack on my glitter. With this, I'm using a glitter that I got from bulk glitters. Yeah, you can get glitters for up to $1. Like, I think the prices used to be 75 cents, but now they're $1. After that, I went in with my black and I added a hint of red eyeliner. So next up, I'm just going to be bringing the camera closer so you kind of get like a closer view. Concealing under your wing look is optional. I just do this so it can have a cleaner, edgier look. I'm going to move on to the bottom skull design. With this, you're just going to go to your jawbone and just outline it. I have chubby cheeks, so it was very hard for me to find them. So once that is complete, you're going to take paint. In this case, I didn't use paint. You guys, I used a really light shade of concealer and I just put setting powder. So I'm going to be going in with a black eyeshadow to fade that harsh line out. Then I'm going to go ahead with the same eyeshadow and put it in my inner lip. Sooner or later, I don't know, it was supposed to be in my inner lip only, but it ended up covering my whole lip. Moving on, I'm going to just be creating outlines where my mouth and my jaw is. Just trying to create that skull mouth separation jaw. I don't know how to call it, you know. Yeah, just trying to make it, you know, realistic as possible with the fading. Don't worry of how it looks. We're gonna always go back and, you know, blend it out, make some harsh lines, you know, make it realistic. So don't worry, makeup is always not gonna look your best when you're doing it. I don't know how to say it, but you just have to trust and believe in yourself. on here, what I'm going to be doing is taking the eyeliner and just outlining everywhere where I shaded. Moving on to my nose, I did a oval shape nose. I've seen girls do triangular noses, but I got a big nose, so I just wanted to go safe and go with the oval. And with that same eyeliner, I'm going to be making teeth. You can use eyeliner or you can use paint, is your preference. With this, I wanted to do an all makeup. I did see a couple YouTubers that use paint, but like I said, is your preference. Now we're gonna go ahead and work on those teeth. We're gonna go ahead and go use that eyeshadow brush with a little bit of black eyeshadow. With my teeth, you can see they're very sloppy and all over the place. They're not really neat. I did that on purpose because no one really has perfect teeth. They come in all shapes and forms. Adding a little bit of touch-ups, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add a little design on the top of my forehead. I wanted to give it that cracked effect. This look is self-explanatory. What I basically did is I created lines and then faded them out with a eyeshadow brush. Right when I was gonna put the finishing touches to my skull, I thought, oh my gosh, I should put a little heart. It would be so cute. So after doing the heart, I went in with my white eyeliner and just tried to make it look more realistic. So my boyfriend, if you guys looking at me like, why is she, looking up there? My boyfriend was just admiring my work, giving me some pointers on stuff I may need to fix. And listen, you guys, I was fluffing on my hair and I didn't even put on my lashes yet. I completely forgot. You guys, my lash tried to run away from me, literally. But once I got her glue back on, I applied some dark blue eyeshadow underneath my eye and some gold highlight in the inner corner. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like.